Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp email templates. We'll begin by exploring the different types of templates available to you. Mailchimp provides a wide array of pre-designed options, making it simple to kickstart your email campaigns. You can choose from basic layouts or more elaborate themed designs, ensuring a professional look with minimal effort. Once you've selected a template, the real fun begins with customization. Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to effortlessly arrange content blocks. You can easily edit text, swap out images, and modify buttons to perfectly convey your message. Remember to adjust colors and fonts to maintain strong brand consistency across all your communications. Occasionally, you might encounter a small issue when setting your microwave clock. First, always ensure your microwave is securely plugged into a working power outlet. A brief power interruption can sometimes reset the clock, so re-entering the time is often the solution. If you're still having trouble, consult your microwave's user manual for model-specific guidance. Some units might require you to press and hold the clock button for a few seconds to begin the setting process. Finally, let's talk about saving and reusing your hard work. Once you've perfected a design, save it as a new template within Mailchimp. This allows you to easily access and reuse it for future email campaigns, saving you valuable time. You can also duplicate existing templates to quickly create variations, streamlining your entire email marketing process for greater efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.